definitely have a raccoon issue. We can go over here. Nice quail. Going to be taking this fence down, all this fence down, but not at the start. You can see trails of raccoon right there. Raccoon. I took some pictures. I poked down in there. They're not here right now. We'll be taking that apart and fixing that back gate right there and cleaning this up and turning it into a garden and securing it. But first, yeah, we're gonna have to deal with the homies here. So, I've been down in the holes. We need to put a drain. There needs to be a drain right here so that this is drained off to the side or something. This is the water's coming down the slope and it's coming here, so we need to keep that in mind. I've been pulling these little holes up. Nobody's home yet, but yeah. Down there is some grass and stuff. I've already shot a flashlight down there. She's been trying to foam them out. That doesn't work. They started chewing on the roof, but they haven't made it through the top. I guess they got poked by the nails. But as you can see, we need to replace some of this wood right here. It's rotting. We might need to go ahead and replace some of that, redo that. There's a fairly nice hole right here. There's also a dead raccoon right in there too, which you'll see in a bit. We're going to be replacing some of these panels, especially this one over here. Yeah, over here. Yeah, we're going to be replacing it. Okay. All right. And there's one there. They done pulled this down in there, got it stuck down in here. So they done pulled it in there. I'm gonna leave it in there for right now. Hey, sorry about that. My brother called. So there's seams on the AstroTurf. You can see it going across there. We might need to get that. Also across here, we need to get that sealed up. I said that already. I showed you some of the holes. Okay, so we're gonna go around here. There's clearly a snake or a mouse hole right there. We need to restructure this so that it's uninviting and yet elegant. Back here, we have an issue with, yeah. Okay, so we need to redo this. We might use this to keep the raccoons from digging. However, we also need to clean it up, get this cleaned up and make it uninviting. Yeah, there's a little dead raccoon right there. He's definitely dead. It is a raccoon for sure. There's a very strong skunk smell as well. I'm not sure what that is, and I'm not sure why he died. I'll find out when I pull the panel. There's another hole over here. So there's some more holes right there where they're going in, and it looks like there's a big hole underneath this piece of plywood, and then that whole back area over there. We need to just redo all that. So we'll probably end up opening up this gate and working from there. Let me get from back here just in case I was wrong and there is a visitor or two. Maybe across the top of the gate we could put something that makes it so that they can't crawl across it, and hopefully without injury, but just make it so that it's uninviting. I did pull up a national resource for wildlife, and they had quite a few good tips. Their main tip was before they nest, get in there and do what it needs to be done. So that's what we need to do. The panel with the big holes in it back here in the corner, I think that's the one we need to pull up, and I think we need to pull up this one and this one in order to work. And we could turn these motorcycles this way so they sit on these two panels, and then pull that panel, and this panel. And this looks like where they were nesting and getting it in. This looks like the entryway where the dead raccoon's over there somewhere. And that looks like the second entryway where they were using that to invade other spaces. So, let's get that in, okay? Ciao.